Hey guys, how's it going? Fair from Tools and Gadgets. So in my previous video, guys, you could check the link in the description box below. I have converted from the manual charging to a wireless charging. And right now, my car, the Toyota Venza 2022, doesn't currently support a wireless CarPlay. So it is currently wired. So now I'm converting it to wireless CarPlay using this AutoSky Wireless CarPlay Adapter. So yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. So in the box, guys, you have this instruction manual. You have the dongles here. This is a USB-C to USB-A, and you have your USB-A to USB-A. And finally, you have the dongle itself, the unit itself. So this is what will make your wired CarPlay converted to wireless CarPlay. So since we have a USB-A here, so we're just going to be sticking this directly there. So yeah, let's do it. All right, guys. So yeah, I need to install the dongle here because this has a wide body, guys, and it couldn't connect directly here with this one currently plugged in. So I need to install the adapter here. All right, just like that. So it's now booting up. Let's just set it aside here. Okay, so in our phone, guys, let's go ahead and click on the Bluetooth. Yeah, and we'll wait for it to detect here. Okay, so let's go ahead and connect to this AutoSky. Yes, and click pair, allow. All right, and it's connected to CarPlay. So let's go ahead and click connect. It's already connected. So as you can see here, we could already open. So guys, I just noticed that taking out the additional dongle here worked perfectly. If you're using this, there's a slight chance that it will get disconnected all the time, like because there's an additional dangle that is hanging around. So you never know if there's a loose connection here. So I just plugged it in directly here, and I took out the wireless charging, and I'm going to transfer it here at the back for it to, because I saw that the wireless charging keeps on disconnecting. So probably I think that the Apple CarPlay, the wireless CarPlay device, the AutoSky, is fighting with the wireless charging to get power. That's what I noticed. So if ever you are installing your wireless CarPlay dongle, install it on its own and transfer everything elsewhere, or at the back, or at this wherever your USB is located, another location. So yeah, that's it, guys. So the step was pretty simple, and it will auto connect once you get near your car, you turn on your car. So yeah, let's go ahead and see how many seconds it would take for it to connect when the car is off. And yeah, let's do it. All right, guys. So example, we just got into our car. Let's go ahead and turn on. So yeah, let's go ahead and count the seconds, how many seconds it would take to connect to the Apple CarPlay, the wireless CarPlay. Okay, that's pretty quick, guys. Less than 20 seconds, I think. So we could go ahead and click CarPlay now. Yeah, that's pretty quick. So I have noticed in the comments, the reviews for this, the AutoSky, this one, guys, it would connect around 40 to 50 seconds, but then I noticed it quickly connected, which is pretty good. Yeah, so if ever you're interested, guys, I'll be posting a link on this in the description box below, and also in the pinned comment section for you guys to check it out at Amazon. I think it currently retails at around $30 right now. So yeah, this used to be at around $69.99 or $80, and they're dropping this price at $29.99, I think. So yeah, just check it out at Amazon, my link in the description box below, and I'll see you again in our next one.